Did ancient builders know something that modern science still can't explain? Look at these giant stone structures, built with a precision that seems utterly impossible for their time. We're talking about perfectly cut stones, fitting together so tightly you can't even slip a piece of paper between them. How did they achieve this? There were no modern tools, no powerful machines, just human hands and ingenious minds creating flawless designs. Even today, our best engineers and scientists study these marvels, scratching their heads in confusion. It's like this incredible knowledge of engineering and geometry just appeared out of nowhere, thousands of years too early. What did they know that we've forgotten? If ancient mysteries like this amaze you as much as they do me, subscribe now and let's uncover more secrets together.